Ka laboratory ka ban Peit yakimet Bneng lene ka Astronomy lam ka balala ban pinbit pinbiang ningkong hakathan chatay lamingi lapli PAIDBAH mantaka sngi da menteri ka Sarkar Jala uba Kyrmen Shylla hakat school Ambrose Memorial Secondary School KHLIEHRIAT Eastern Hills District bat kane baro ka deling ba ka jingprat lenti u Deputy Commissioner ka Eastern Hills District u Abhilash Baranwal IAS habakran kumukong san uba Kyrmen Shylla ula ay ka jingkublay bakarpang ya u Deputy Commissioner u balala banwanra ya bakum kani kalap Haganiga School ha Eastern Hills District. Ka School Ambrose Memorial Secondary School KHLIEHRIAT kadai ka balaseng ban sandur da uba Justin Khar na do usnam arhajar uba deiru UMLA barim jong ka KHLIEHRIAT constituency bat mentaru udang bat kumu principal jong ka school bat kadairu ka way na ki school ka bapau ha Eastern Hills District ka shilam ajing hikai ka ba ajing kershan ya ka than ha ka ban ya kan tiulam ya ka puli ka puthi ha ka than bat ha ka jala.
Installation of Astronomy Lab at Ambrose Memorial School, KHLIEHRIAT Eastern Hills District, donated by Northeast Transmission Company Limited under CSR initiatives, financial year 2023-24, inaugurated on 1st February 2024 by Shri Kyrmen Shylla, Honorable Cabinet Minister to Government of Meghalaya, in presence of myself. Thank you.
Okay, we can imagine that the sun is here, right? So the light from the sun is hitting this side of the moon. Whereas the other side is dark because there is no light on the moon. So we are on Earth looking at the moon. We cannot see light on the moon. So when the moons orbit around the Earth, we see that some sides of the moon is reflecting light to Earth. So at this time we will see the first crescent, and as it keeps on orbiting, we will see now half. We will see half of the color. If we are here on Earth, we will see.
Now we have come to the end of this program, and before that, I would like to request some.
This is augmented reality, na? We call somebody. Okay. We can watch it. So, Madam will leave. Yes,
and all these can be taken out. This is magnet. One by one. So this can be taken out. So students will have an idea what is where.
This is a part. Can take it out. So all these parts here.
What is this?
I feel that I don't have, it's not that having him as an officer, I feel like I have a brother, an elder brother, who teach, who guide, and who shows, and who work together. So thank you so much. It really means a lot, I said from my heart. I would like to thank also to the NEFT, the team, all of you. Thank you so much for introducing this astronomy lab in Eastern Hills, which will give the platform for our students. Because I remember myself, when I was a student, I studied science for my 11-12. There, those times we don't have much activities, we don't have those much of whatever requirement for us to learn. Though I studied in Shillong, but they don't have the materials requirement for us to learn about it. But that day when you show me that you take pictures of the moon, no? Which is very nice. I couldn't imagine that this thing happened from Eastern Hills too. So which he, our officers, Deputy Commissioner, he called me, he said, if possible, come and visit, this is the best time. But one day I will come and join the school, which I believe that, especially our students, will have the benefits by having this astronomy lab here in Eastern Hills, especially in Ambrose Memorial Secondary School, KHLIEHRIAT. Ubla ro thau ija ja em wo start hang ken em go start hang ka yong science le ni gnu go ji start yo pi tangangai scheme o kani man go kut hado nia hane ki bidwan ki project yo la se kat kam ki por ki singi ki jing em kam da wan de te lat ku ti ne ta yong ai pi khnang wa kat kam go jing em yo prthai kan ni ila yo ai ka te equal rights kam ong tu khnang wa ila yo man ki wa yi compete ku ki bidwan.
This lab will not suffice for all your needs, but it will prove as a very able starting point, a starting point which should increase your interest in science. Unfortunately, over here in Meghalaya, we have not really seen children very interested in science and mathematics. So this is one effort towards that. This is not a fault of children. The fact is that they do not have the environment, they do not have the necessary support and structure that will encourage them to take up science, that will arouse their interest in science. So this is one small effort. Please use this. I'll request the school management and the faculties to utilize it to the fullest. Many physics and chemistry experiments can be, in fact, many biology experiments can also be conducted inside the same lab. The idea is that as much as possible, the students should be given exposure so that it does not remain a white elephant. A white elephant is one which is there as a beauty, but then it's not really used. So that's the entire request, and please understand that since this is something which is unique, at least for as long as entire Meghalaya is concerned, so it is priceless. And my request to students, especially the guys, because I have also been a student myself, I know that how disruptive our tendencies are. So my request would be to the guys especially, that don't think of it as something that you will enjoy in destroying. That let's say, I hope you understand my point. So my request to faculties and management would also be to ensure that these things are not easily replaceable, so they remain intact, and children especially do not really damage the things. Not everyone does that, but then there are always certain people. Okay, so that's all from my end. Thank you. I congratulate the school on getting this. It is thoroughly deserved by you. It's not a favor I am doing, because as I said, it's based on your performance of Project Kalawai. I hope that Ambrose Memorial turns out to be the best school for entire Jaintia Hills. The labs were supposed to be the first ones in Northeast, but these were set up on 21st over here. But after over here, the same team went to Assam, same team went to Arunachal, and it does not take much time to set up one lab. So over the last 10 days, since I had contacted them, I had called them over here. On their way back, they had met certain DCs, and now probably 4 or 5 more labs have been opened in Assam and Arunachal. But this remains the first lab to be set up in the Northeast, but not the first one to be inaugurated, sir. Now, as far as why astronomy labs are important, the basic reason is to spark curiosity amongst the children. It's as simple as that. I mean, it's one thing to read about something in book. It's another thing to watch videos over, let's say, the TVs that we have given. But it's entirely another thing when you are able to hold those things in your hand. There are so many, small models, sir, which have been given as part of the entire package. There's in fact a Dobsonian telescope as well, which the children can use to check out Moon, check out Saturn rings, check out Jupiter, check out many other things as well. I hope the teachers have received the training and they'll be able to utilize it to the fullest. They'll be able to show it to the children how to use it, so that they are able to utilize the lab to the fullest.